Hi everybody, my name is Carmen Messias. I'm going to show you how to open the web browser. I click here on Safari and I'm gonna write here Google. Google is the search engine here, and then I'm gonna type here disco. Disco. I'm gonna looking for the image from disco. Here are a lot of image pictures for disco, and I'm gonna change for videos. I'm looking for videos, and then type here YouTube, and YouTube is here. Click on the website. On the website you can research for songs. 2000 songs, babe songs, and a lot of babe songs here. I'm gonna choose this one, the most,
Grammarly does more than just catch errors. With Grammarly, you can find really good, no, perfect words.
I'm gonna change for this one.
Bounce Patrol! Do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do.
And I'm gonna close this one because I'm not playing all song. And I'm gonna search for different search engine like Bing, and type here Bing. Here are Bing is the search engine from Microsoft. When you click here, you type here what you're looking for. I'm looking for my college. It's red here, and click for the college, and Bing gonna open it. Here you are. And this one I look for my VLE, my courses, and I have to show you how to open the VLE. I'm already here, but I log out to show you how to open. Is my username is already saved, and just type the password. And log in. Here you are. I look for my courses, these two. I see TF2002, Communication Technology Academy, propose, and everything's here. All the topics, the assessment, brave. What I'm doing is this one, task 2. Prepare the videos, these videos, and show you how to close all these. Just click here and here and click here. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.